Okay, now we have our new data set. Let's actually figure out how long it was between the first and the last observation. In order to do this, notice that we have age at first and we have age at last. So let's take the difference in age in years. We're going to go to the function transform and we're going to compute a variable. And we're going to say change years. No spaces. So when you compute a difference, you want to have as your base the second term. We're going to do a minus b. The second term needs to be your baseline. So that's going to be age at first. And then we want to have the first term be the age that you ended up. And so we want to subtract. So when we subtract, age at first is always going to be less than or equal to age at last. And so this will give us a positive number. So let's do this. Okay. And notice that over here it instantly gave us the computation in change years. And let's see what that looks like. So we have 1s and 0s and 2s. Some people up front weren't followed very long. In fact, how many do we have? Well, it's always good to kind of check out your frequencies. Let's do change years. And so we have from 1 to 7 year difference, with 3 years being the most, but a pretty decent sample at 5 years. All right, now we also want to know what is the span that we have for, this is the change for everybody, but we might be interested in, for the myopes, the change that we have covered for years in myopes. And that's going to be, again, we start with the later year, init years last minus init years first. Notice there's a lot of missing data because some of these we just don't have anybody. And I don't know why that's a 0 there, but in any event, let's see what our frequency distribution is here. So let's do descriptives. So we have tracked people anywhere from 0 to 6 years, with again 5 years being a pretty good difference. So that's how you compute.